funny head. Little round bit here, that'll be the back of his head right about there. And let's give him a top. He's got funny hair coming around like this, all zigzaggy like. There we go, zigzag it all around. This is a big long one here. There we go, we can bring it down like this and like that. This is looking good, everybody. There we go, and we can top it all off on the top there. Very good. Let's give Woody some eyebrows here. Where's one? And there's another. Looking very nice. And we can draw his eyes in now. Let's start with this eye right about here. That's a good looking eye. And this eye will just overlap a little bit here. Just like that. And we're gonna leave a space here because Woody's beak is gonna come down. Just like that. Comes all the way up like that. And then we're gonna do this like this. Bring it on in like that. Yeah, it's looking good. Give him a bit of a cheek there. And we'll bring his beak off right about there. Perfect. Now let's bring it on triangle like down here like this. And we could do the same over here like that. All pointy like. There we go. And we can round his cheek around like that. Looking sweet, everybody. We can finish his mouth off like this. And up like that. Looking good. Give him a tongue. Right in like that. That's right. And now some eyes. Let's give him an eye here. And another eye here. And a little highlight. Highlights are nice right about there. Looking good, everybody. All right. Maybe just move the eye like that so we're joined in. And we can even make some thicker eyebrows if you like. Right like that. We'll color those in black like that. Very nice. Looking good. Alrighty now. Woody's got a neck. Comes down like this. And like that. And he's got a furry collar. I guess they're feathers, but I'm not really sure. I've always thought there was a bit of a funny neck here. That's fun like this. And we'll bring it around like that. And round his neck off like this. There we go. Let's give him a stance as if he's got his arm on his hip. Right about here like this. And we could bring his body on down like this. Right about there. Curve that around like that. And that'll be his leg. Finish his leg off there. Bring it on up like that. Looking good. We'll bring his other leg like that. Round that one off like that. Looking nice. And now let's bring this on up. And we'll bring his bum right about there. And bring his arm to extend right about here. Here we go. Just like this. There we go like that. And there we are. Looking nice, everybody. Woody's got a funny tummy here. We'll just bring it around like that. That looks good. And we can finish his hand off here. Woody likes to wear gloves. So we'll do a little glove bit there. And then we can give him his fingers right about here. There we go. Looking nice, everyone. Now let's bring that glove bit up here for the other hand. There we go. And we'll give him as if he's saying, hello, how you doing to us? Right about here. Bring his hand on down like this. 1, 2, 3 fingers for Woody Woodpecker. Finish that on up like that. And we'll give him a bit of a palm there. Looking good. There we go. Sweet. Now let's give him some feet. Woody's got some funny big feet here. There's 1, 2 toes for Woody. Right about there, like that. And do the same over here like this. Maybe we'll make this a little flatter. There we go. Bring that second toe up like that. Very nice, everybody. Let's not forget his tail. Right about here like this. Feathery tail, I suppose. And this up like that from behind. Very nice. And we'll color it in now. Then let's get to that color. All right. Woody's got a blue body, a yellow beak and feet, red head and tongue, black eyes, mouth and tail. Thanks, everyone.